time in Nugget Garage, we're going to finish the go-kart. We're actually putting the rest of it together. We're going to get it on the dyno here and see how much difference the turbo actually makes. Scott's made up some form of...
Yeah, made a little
thing.
What we call it, the Microtron 400F. It's basically a DYNO PWM control board from China, driving a MOSFET which can handle the current of the injector. Idea is we're going to try and trim it back out now on the regulator and use a hob switch to activate a preset duty cycle on this injector based on about 3 pounds of boost. Should let us lean it out and then get the fueling when it comes on the boost. At the moment it sort of goes really dumb rich and then comes on and goes really lean. So it'll take me...
A couple of guys have asked about timing stuff.
So the way we're getting around that is we've switched from, this motor was designed to run on like 93, 91 octane unleaded. It's now running on E85. There's no NOx sensor, but we're just relying on the fact that you can run a lot more timing on ethanol, so we won't have to pull the timing out. We should be able to leave it as it sits. It's only 7 pounds of boost.
Yeah,
should be right.
Should be safe.
If the rod comes out, then it was too much. I think it'll go that way. Should be right.
All right. Let's make noise. Cool. Chain tensioner. New go-kart stand. Ooh.
Stupid car. Oh, it could be the time.
Is it the time?
It might be the time.
Modification time?
Oh man.
Did you break it? Means it's got to come off.
It's like discovering free balling for the first time.
I feel better about this. So when?
Don't have a problem. Means you gotta get that hub off.
We'll get some overnight parts from Logan.
So we've got a problem.
It's from all the horsepowers.
He's gonna have to fix it.
Moldy stuff. Some broken stuff. Like new. Except for the other bit that isn't.
It would be to a minus mindset. That song should be called Unfortunate. Not alright. But the theory is...
Well, it is somewhat ironic.
It's a song about irony that's not ironic. Which is what irony is. So nothing in her song about...
It's just unfortunate.
Ironic is actually ironic. That's ironic. Traffic jam when you're already late. Unfortunate.
Well, you're already late. It doesn't matter.
But it's unfortunate. It's not ironic. Unless you were somebody in town planning and said that you wouldn't be late in traffic.
Then it would be ironic.
Then it would be ironic. Where did Jake's tool go?
Oh, I don't really particularly want to talk about Drake's tool.
This one? Yeah, that one.
Drake's tool's no good.
Do I?
Sure. Could possibly go wrong. I don't think it's going to get any looser. Do you care if it does?
Not really.
Me either.
People on the internet might, but
They're not riding it. This is actually going to be a completed go-kart one day. Today. Today's the day.
how do those 3 bolts handle like a turbo Hayabusa engine?
I don't think they were really made for a turbo Hayabusa engine. Were they? Are we putting a turbo Hayabusa engine in it next?
In a golf cart, golf buggy.
In a golf buggy. What happened to the Subaru engine idea?
How much? I reckon 48.
48?
So far, I'm in the lead.
What are we calling it? Microtron
400F.
Microtron 400C, 400F.
It's what? So
Why did you DeWalt?
this one adjusts the pulse width. The other one adjusts the duty cycle. So basically, that's when the injector came on, when it went to 10 to 5 to 1 rich. And then as it made the boost, it wasn't enough fuel. So I've tried to make it come on later now when I've added more fuel. So if this is all working, it should.
So it should trim that rich part and bring it in.
Should get
later.
leaner in the middle and richer.
Excellent.
At the top. That actually did exactly what I wanted it to do.
That's awesome.
Two cells of
It's not, I don't know, we 12 5 before it's ready. That's not that bad. So then I'll go a bit, so.
Get the valve out after, right?
I'll wait. That's always going to claim that change. And sometimes you just Rich, there. Can you even drive or what?
The remote's not working up yet.
No, that's right. Oh, got crazy rich down there. A little look-see inside this box. The Microtronic 400F by Scott. That's fancier than anything else.
I don't think it's genuine Deutsch though, I think it's a rip-off.
Surely not.
Pinched it out of Shifty's wagon.
Take that, Shifty. ECU doing ECU things. We're good. Drive much or what? All of the boost. Or something. Or 10. You want to look the more strap it up a bit harder and put some more load on it.
Whoa! Hello.
53! 53! Looks like you're starting to draw penises again.
Still not right.
You reckon it'll turn tyres in a straight line?
Maybe. I don't know, with 50. Maybe. Where's it coming on in the river? Late. Oh. So it's what's all of it at the last bit or something. Holy crap! Whoa.
That's about as easy as it goes.
55 on, that's 55. Very cool. That comes on like 70, oh, it starts coming on about 7, and it's That's lit right up by 7.5. That light. Not keen to go and do a skit. I mean, a lap.
Test drive.